Hello, everyone. Last time we talked, I wasn't able to complete what I had promised, and for that, I'm sorry. So I hope you'll join me next Saturday, October 7th. I've got a full day. I've got over 20 different deals, seller financing deals that I want to go over. It's going to be a great day. And what I'm going to do with each one of the deals, I'm going to make you think because we're going to go through those deals step by step. And what I'm going to do is, after each deal, we're going to do a quick quiz because I want you to understand what the seller's needs were, what the technique I used, and what your needs were. So, besides explaining all of that, I'm going to teach you all of the paperwork you need to do any one of those transactions. It's going to be a great day. I hope you'll join me next Saturday, October 7th. Hope to see you then. Thank you.